In this video, I will share how you can set up System1 and Tonic tracking with Taboola without using any third-party software. So let's go to my screen. So first open up your Taboola ads account and go to tracking. So you can see this is the tracking panel and click on new conversion. And here, for example, let's say you can name it lead, click on events and choose the category as lead. You can also choose purchase, but I think lead would be better. And name event should be lead. It is case sensitive, so make sure everything is lowercase, and keep the other settings as it is. Make sure this is ticked, include in total conversions, and just hit the create button. That's it. So I have already created this, so I will not create it again. So I will say yes, leave. So after creating this event, go to the System1. So here's System1. So for example, I have this domain already created. So I will hit configure. So from here I will click on, so this is traffic source. Let me hit control minus. Yep. So click on Taboola and then click reporting. Sub ID, leave it as it is. Don't put anything. Referral, I mean it should display something. Give me a second. Taboola. Yep. So you can see the referral source, Taboola dash site. It should automatically appear. So Taboola dash site is fine. RS key is basically your main search term. So for example, this is MBA. So I will say MBA programs UK. So you should add the search intent. Headline is it will fetch from the Taboola. So keep it as it is. Conversion tracking. So here. So you will add your Taboola advertising account ID, which is, so you will go over here. So you can see that tracking account ID is 16029. So you will copy this one and you will add it here. Tracking ID is so you can find what should be on these blanks by going to System1 and go to the syndication document, and here you can find campaign domain URL parameters. So you can find all the tracking parameters for all the traffic sources. So go to the ad network pixel tracking, and I will look for Taboola. Where is Taboola? Yeah, here you go. So it is showing you what parameters or what events should be on those blanks. So yep. So for Taboola click ID, it should be this one. So, and then the land should be, you can call it land. So you can add these things, but I don't track the, for example, this is like basically page view. When user lands on the page, I don't track it because I don't want to optimize the campaign for these two events, or even search. Search is first click, and I don't want to track it. I don't want to optimize my campaign for the first click. So this is the final click, the Taboola click event conversion name. So this is the final click. So I want to optimize my campaign for this one, and we want to track it. So here you can say that it is saying that you can add the purchase. You can write purchase even, but as you know that I have selected the as lead. I have selected lead, so I will put lead. And when I was creating this event, do you remember that it was lowercase? Everything was lowercase. So it should be lowercase. If it is I mean, if you're using like uppercase, lowercase, then it should be LEAD. L should be capital. So make sure whenever you create the new conversion, it should be on even, and So I'm talking about this one. Let me share. So I'm talking about the even name. So this is case sensitive. I used it like LED, so it should be LED. But if you prefer to use it L capital LEAD, then it should be like this. So it depends on you. And then after that, this is it. Yep. So you have you can hit save, and you can then use this URL as it is, and that's it. So this was the System1 tracking, and you can just create campaign and launch it. That's it. You don't have to do anything else. So for now Tonic, you can create a campaign. So I have already created the dental implants USA, and then you can skip. So you can add keywords if you want to, but you will directly for the pixel tracking. You will go to the pixel tracking, and here you will click on Taboola, and then you will click on. So I have to refresh it because I think it logged out. So I will copy the name and hit refresh. So I will go to the pixel tracking, and then I will click on Taboola, and then here I will click on, so for example I'm using lead, so I will click on the name event lead, and you can tick on this one, send revenue pre-estimations in pixel. So it will send back the information, how much revenue you are generating. So it is a really good feature, and that's it. You will hit save, and before that there's one more thing. So for example I will save this one, and then I will go to the tracking. So this is the URL, and then you will click on parameter helper, and from here, yeah, you can see that Taboola is already selected. Everything is selected. Click ID. This is everything is added, and hit copy. So don't copy this URL. So you have to click on parameter helper, and make sure Taboola is selected. Make sure it has added the click ID, and then copy the URL. And then the URL is with all the parameters: Taboola site, click ID, DPCO is equal to 1. These are all important parameters. So make sure these all parameters are copied, and then you can just put it on your Taboola campaign with the same conversion, the conversion that I was showing you in the tracking. This one lead. So, and then you can start running the campaign. So I think this is pretty straightforward. If you're a beginner and you want to start search arbitrage with System1 and Taboola, then I think you can start with the direct tracking. You don't need to invest your money on tracking softwares like Clickfair. You can just quickly start with this setup. And if you want to grow, if you want any third-party software, then you can go with the other Clickfair or any other softwares. I think there are more tracking softwares as well. I think RedTrack and all that. But you should go with this setup. And if you have any other questions, if I missed something, just let me know. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.